Good evening, everybody. Welcome to Sunburst Open House. I'd like to welcome all the students and the families here, and I'd like to introduce myself. I'm your new principal. I'm Rhonda Warren, and I feel so lucky to be part of the Sunburst family. I wanted to also take this opportunity to let you know there will be some other new faces you'll see around the campus. One is we have a new office tech, and her name is Marlene Wilson. We have a new librarian, and his name is David Cause. We also have a new program coach, and her name is Debbie Lupnaka. Please stop by to say hi to us. We'd love to meet you personally. We'll be walking around in the hall, so we'd like to say hi. Just come up and talk to us. I'd also like to let you know a few things about the school that may be just slightly different from last year. Our start time is 7:10, so parents, please don't drop your kids off till 7:10. There won't be anybody on duty until that time. If you're used to coming to Sunrise Stories, that will also be at 7:10. That won't be starting for a while, and you will get some flyers on that. This year we're also having breakfast in the classroom, so it will be provided for all students. At 7:30 when they're in the classroom, everybody will be able to have breakfast, and they will be done by 7:50. This year, something new too, the whole district, we have common dismissal, and for us that's 2:30, so everybody be out at 2:30. Please be patient with us as we work on how we're going to get all the students out of here at the same time. We are extending the pickup area a little bit further, so you'll see a blue line extended. We will also have little flags up showing you where the grade levels are, so if you're driving through to pick up, look for those flags. And again, I'd like to welcome you and thank you so much for being here tonight.
Hi, I'm Debbie Lupnaka. I'm the new program coach here at Sunburst. What's a program coach? Well, a program coach works with the teachers, helping them to do things in the classroom, like working with the curriculum and coming up with really neat ways for the kids to learn. You'll see me all over campus doing lots of different jobs, so make sure you say hi. And kids, I'll be looking for you all over. Make sure you say hi to me. And I also like to tell you some really neat things about PTO.
On behalf of the Sunburst Parent-Teacher Organization, we'd like to welcome you to Sunburst School. Our PTO understands that in today's busy world, some parents may find it very challenging to attend meetings and spend a great deal of time on campus. We respect that and have worked hard to be a very efficient and productive organization. We've developed many free and easy ways that you can get involved. Within the next few weeks, your child will be bringing home information about the Sunburst PTO. Please take a minute to look over the information. There you will find many free and easy ways to help our school. The packet will contain information about programs such as the Arizona Tax Credit Program, Box Tops for Education, and information on how to link your purchases to Sunburst School from stores like Fry's, Albertsons, Safeway, and Target. Programs such as the Fry's Cool Cash program require that your Cool Cash card be rescanned again each year. Just by doing these few free and easy things, you can really impact your child's education. Why, just for reading through the information, we will enter your family into a raffle to receive a $25 gift card to Staples. Simply read the information, sign the form, then have your child return it to school to be entered into the drawing. For a $5 membership fee, you can join our organization. Every penny the PTO earns goes directly to supporting Sunburst students and staff. During the upcoming PTO membership drive, we'll be holding a classroom participation contest. The class that gets the most parents to join will be receiving a pizza party. The rockets located in the main hallway will chart the progress of each class. Please consider joining the PTO and help launch your child and their classmates into a successful school year. Whether you're able to support the PTO through the $5 membership fee or not, we welcome everyone to attend our fun family events such as Bingo Night, McDonald's Night, Great Skate Night, and more. Look for more information about the Sunburst PTO to arrive home with your child soon. On behalf of the Sunburst PTO, we'd like to thank you for attending this evening's open house. We look forward to joining with you in making your child's educational experience the best it can be.